everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your frozen Samsung phone if the UI isn't responding or something like that. So you won't be able to touch the touchscreen at all, nothing is going to respond, which is annoying. Or it might say like a little pop-up message here. We want to force restart the phone. So most of the time if you press this power button down and the volume down button at the same time, that will force restart it. Now if it's not that, it's going to be the volume up. So I'm going to say like 75% of you, it's going to be the power button and the volume down on your Samsung phone. Just hold both these down, just like this. And if your screen is not frozen, you're going to see this. And if you continue to hold it down, you'll see this. So your phone is going to restart. And it should fix the UI. You might want to try looking for a software update for your phone. So it doesn't freeze again in the future, or maybe you have too much storage on there and you got to delete some stuff. You can also look for any kind of adware or bloatware that has been installed on your phone. Just delete some applications maybe that is slowing down your phone. Now if you do have like an older phone, or maybe let's say a cheaper model, that might be causing the issue of why your phone is so slow. Sometimes you do have the option to unlock more RAM speed on your phone, so your phone speeds up. So you can look into those memory options or memory extension options. I know I have those on my Redmi phone and my Motorola phone, but I haven't really seen those on my Samsung phone at all. But just go ahead and follow those steps. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.